Hey everyone, in this video we're going to cover guided learning in Gemini. This is the mode you use when you don't want Gemini to just spit out an answer. You want it to teach you step by step, ask you quick checks for understanding, and help you actually learn something the way a tutor would. On screen, I'm opening Gemini in my browser. From here, I'm clicking Tools and selecting Guided Learning. You'll know you're in the right spot because the flow changes. Gemini starts guiding you with questions and small steps instead of giving one big response. Let me show you a real example modeling CER writing, claim, evidence, reasoning. And here's the exact prompt I'm going to paste in. Teach me how to model CER writing for middle school science. Start by asking what I already do for constructed responses. Then teach in small steps so I can follow along and practice what a strong claim looks like, how to choose evidence from a text or data set, and how to write reasoning that connects the evidence back to the claim. After each part, ask me a quick check question and wait for my answer before moving on. Now watch what happens. Gemini will start to ask follow-up questions to guide the process. Then it teaches one part at a time and pauses to check your understanding. If you answer wrong or you're unsure, it adjusts and reteaches. The teach, check, adapt loop is what you see unfolding when using guided learning. Now here's the pro move. Upload your standards and let guided learning unpack them for you. On screen, I'm clicking the upload or attach option and adding my standards document, or even just a screenshot of the standard. Then I paste this prompt. Use the attached standard to help me understand what it really expects students to know and do. Rewrite it in teacher-friendly language, then highlight the key skills and vocabulary embedded in it. After that, generate a few clear learning targets and suggest quick classroom checks I can use to see if students are getting it. As we go, ask me quick questions so I'm actively thinking through the standard instead of just reading it. And that's it. On the web, you open Tools, choose Guided Learning, give it a clear teacher-focused goal, and let it coach you through the content step by step with quick checks. Adding a standard you're already teaching makes it immediately useful for lesson planning. Be sure to check out the other Gemini videos and playlists available on our channel. Thanks for watching.